Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready with our new lesson for today? Awesome! Since you're ready, let's go ahead and read. Stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Alright, so our lesson for today will be the letter W. So this is the mommy W and this is the baby W. What is the sound of W? The sound of W is woo. One more time. Woo. So if the sound of W is woo, what will be the sound or how will you read it if there is a letter A beside W? So let's start with the sound of woo and then the sound of a. So that will be wah. One more time. Wah. Perfect. How about if I add the letter S at the end? So how will you read it? So that will be was. One more time. Was. Perfect. So, di ba? Ang tunog neto, u, tapos a, pag pinagsama, wa. And then, meron neto sa dulo, ang sound neto, s. So, that will be was. Good job! How about I place this letter at the end? What is the sound of this again? Nice! Yes, that is R. So let's combine all the sound together. So that will be where. One more time. Where. Good job! How about I remove this? And I place this one. What is the sound of this again? Good job. Yes, that is g, g. So let's combine all the sound together. That will be wag. One more time. Wag. Good job. In our previous lesson, pinag-aralan na natin yung mga words na may mommy W and baby W sound in English. So ngayon naman, aralin natin yung mga words or magbasa tayo ng mga words na may W in Tagalog. Okay? Alright, so 'di ba pag pinagsama yung W at saka yung A, ano uli ang base dyan? Very good. Yes, that will be wa. Kasi ang sound neto, u, tapos ito, a. So pag pinagsama sila, yan ay magiging wa. Perfect. So tara, magbasa tayo ng mga Tagalog words na may W. Alright, so let's start with this word. So, di ba pag pinagsama sila, ang sound or ang base dyan ay wa. Wa. Paano ito? Di ba inaral na natin to? So, ang base dyan ay la. La. So, ang basa dito ay wa, la. Wa, la. So, yan ay wala. Perfect. Alright, so how about this word? So with this word, itutunog lang muna natin to. So that will be sa. And then, ano nga uli ito? Good job. Yes, that will be wa. So pag pinagsama, yan ay sa, wa. One more time. Sa, wa. Excellent. Alright, how about this word? So, pagsasamahin lang uli natin lahat ng tunog. So, this will be la. One more time. La. Tapos, wa. So, that will be la, wa. Ang galing, di ba? And this will be, paano basa dito? Di ba ito, t, tapos a. Pag pinagsama silang dalawa, yan ay ta. And then, wa. Good job. So that will be ta, wa. Isa pa nga. Ta, wa. Very good. Oh, gumagaling ka ng bumasa, di ba? How about this one? So, ang sound neto ay k. And then a. Pag pinagsama, yan ay ka. And then, very good. So, that will be ka, wa. One more time. Ka, wa. Good job. And this one, this will be, ano nga uli ang tunog neto? Di ba? Hihinga. Ha, wa. One more time. Ha, wa. Nice. And this word will be, ano sound neto uli? G. Very good. Then pinagsama, ga, and then wa. Nice. Diba? Ang galing mo na. So that will be ga, wa. One more time. Ga, wa. Very good. So those are the words that has W in Tagalog.
Wow! You already know how to read. Let's clap our hands. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.